severe traumatic brain injury cases in Massachusetts. Good afternoon, I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I want to talk today about victims of severe traumatic brain injury cases or concussions or other levels of traumatic brain injuries. We've represented a lot of victims of these types of cases, and they're terrible cases, they're terrible injuries, and the families think that because the injury is so bad, the insurance companies is going to understand that. They don't want to, and sometimes the client, the victim, doesn't remember what happened because of the injury, and it necessitates some type of accident reconstruction, sometimes with witnesses, police reports, things like that. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about representing victims like this, and in particular one victim that we represented who was a young woman, and that accident happened in Cambridge. She was coming to work downtown Boston, and she was going to get on the T. She bought some coffee at Starbucks and was walking in a crosswalk with the light in her favor. But a taxi came and turned, and the taxi driver was looking due east, and he just slammed right into her in the crosswalk. Witnesses all agreed with that. The left side of her head broke the windshield of the taxi. And it was a horrible injury, and she was at Mass General for a while. She was at Spalding Rehab for a while. We worked with her at Mass General. We visited her at Spalding and met with her and her doctors. And we got a really good result in this case, but not because of the taxi insurance company. They tried to say that their driver wasn't available to be talked to, and the reason is because he left the country, and so they couldn't talk to him, so therefore they couldn't finish their investigation. The police did an investigation, of course, and the witnesses all said the same thing, but they gave us a hard time. The taxi insurance companies are terrible. These days, lots of people take Uber and Lyft, and those insurance companies are much more professional. They're much better, and we've worked with them many, many times, so they're a much better vehicle to be in if you're a victim, fortunately or unfortunately. In this instance, we were able to get the money from the taxi's insurance company because of the severity of the injury and the witness statements and the pictures and all that. But we also, because our client had underinsurance coverage, we were also able to secure underinsurance coverage for her and get her the full policy of her underinsurance coverage. So if you've been a victim of a pedestrian accident, if you've been a victim of a severe traumatic brain injury, if you have a case against a taxi company or Uber or Lyft, give us a call. We've been representing victims since 1985. We have a lot of experience. We're aggressive. We will not stop until we get a full value for our client. Please give us a call at Burns & Jan, 617-227-7423. It's a free initial evaluation and consultation. We would love to help you. We want to help you, and we've been in this building here at 6 Beacon Street since 1987. Give us a call. Thank you.